can also do this with lime. Ah, got me again. Need safety goggles for this. Shitloads of. Now, of course. That should be enough. So the basic ratios are 1 part sugar, 1 part lemon, and 2 parts Pisco. Here's a little secret which you may not know. If the ice falls on the floor, you can actually just rinse it. True story. Look at that. Back it back in there. Final ingredient, 2 eggs, but only the whites. Oh, shit. Luckily, you'll be able to rescue this with a spoon. Wipe that in. Make sure to use fresh eggs, obviously. There really is nothing worse than a hangover and salmonella. Ashes off with some bitters. And we'll visit it again later.
Cheers. Cheers.
There you have it, people. That's how you make Pisco Sour. We hope you enjoyed this episode.
If you have any cool ideas which you would like us to cover,
then just leave us a comment down below and we'll try to cover it in the next episode in the space of 2 minutes. Also, if you enjoyed this, please consider subscribing.
Top left.
That's the button. Click it. You want to.
Cheers.
Cheers and ciao. Wow, that is really strong.
Squeezed egg.
You
lemon
squeezed
in mine.
eggy lemon in yours. It's okay. Those eggs are fresh, so you won't wake up with a hangover and salmonella.
Well, that's good.